told you here, March 11, 2024, I'm coming for everything I deserve. I am done playing with my potential. People that people are in spaces and rooms right now with less knowledge and stuff that I have, and I'm playing it small. I refuse to play it small, okay? I refuse. So let's run it up, baby. Most of my facial products are from e.l.f. because they have really good affordable products. They're Woe Glow sunscreen and the daily moisturizer. This is like my third bottle because these are so affordable, you guys. So I highly recommend this. Also, my lip oil is from e.l.f., so I need to go grab that. But let's go ahead and get dressed for the gym. Grab my sports bra. What am I gonna wear today to the gym? I don't even know. Good morning, beautiful people. Okay, so today's Monday. I'm at the gym and I'm getting ready to work out. I decided to pick up the vlog camera and why not vlog, because I see a lot of people that, you know, are not playing with their potential this year. So I decided to vlog. I don't really do much throughout the week, but hey, maybe bits and pieces here and there will help somebody out or entertain somebody. I don't really do much, and especially since moving to a different state where I don't really know a lot of people. Most of my friends are they live in different states or whatever. So but yeah, I guess a day in the life or a week in my life or something of a 30-something-year-old, a work from home female, I guess, woman, I don't know. Let's see where this goes. But yeah, let's go ahead and get that workout on. I'm overdoing like extremely hardcore workouts. I'm in my like soft gym era girl session, I guess. So I'm just gonna walk on the treadmill on an incline, nice and steady, and I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna overdo it. I'm just gonna sweat, move my body, and my goal is to move my body at least 4 times a week. So because we have some goals, girl. Okay, we got like 100 something days until summertime, so we gotta get this body together. Because this summer, baby, listen, I'm not playing. I'm trying to be in a 2-piece bikini. Okay, I'm trying to show the body. Okay, so let's go ahead and head to the gym and get a little workout on. Okay, you guys, let's do a little Amazon unboxing. This is like my 3rd time recording this because your girl be forgetting to hit the record button. But anyway, so I got me some rose cutters because I've been doing a lot of little rose arrangements and stuff, flower arrangements. So I got that. I also got a electric spin brush, to clean the bathroom. So I gotta put that together. Another thing that I got was this glass food storage container, because them plastic ones, girl, once you put some food on there and the sauce or whatever is ruined, it's trash. So I decided to invest in glass containers. I will link everything down below in my storefront as well. Another thing that I got, you guys, I got this stencil thing right here. The little stencil. Because you guys know I bought a house and I'm trying to bring it to life because she's very cookie cutter. She's a build a great home. So you got to put your own little touches to it. Okay. So I wanted to do wallpaper, but girl, my walls are like super high and wide, like they're big, and wallpaper is a lot. So I decided to look into stenciling. I saw this little chevron pattern and I got some paint from Home Depot. You probably seen this in this blog, and we're going to start customizing this home. The first room is going to be the laundry room. So make sure you subscribe. Okay. Make sure you subscribe. Okay. So you can see that transformation. So we're probably going to do the laundry room and then the guest bathroom, and then work our way around the house. Okay. So that will be a series. Let's see what else I got. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Oh, okay. So I've been into juicing lately. I got a juicer, the Nama juicer. I might insert that in this video as well. But I got little shot glasses so I can make little ginger shots and little, health wellness shots. So I got a pack of 8 and it looks like that. So I got that. And then I got this cute little key and mail holder, and this is gonna go in the laundry room just to hang up my keys and my purse and stuff. And it's black, so I'm gonna put her together. This is gonna be part of the laundry room makeover. So this is super cute. Let's see if I could give you the visual. So I think it goes like this. Yep, it goes like that. And then I could put mail on top or something on up there, and then my keys and my purses will hang from the bottom right there. So that's cute. We'll do that in the laundry room makeover. What else did I get from Amazon? Oh, I also got some sunglasses from Amazon, girl, because okay, so I also got some Amazon sunglasses because my little fashion sunglasses were not blocking the sun, but I was able to do that. And I also finally got the viral on brush from Amazon. And you guys, this thing is so bomb. I've been using the Miel Sea Moss collection. I got this from my friend Sharita. This stuff is bomb. My hair loves this stuff. I suffer from psoriasis, and when I tell you, ever since I started using this, my hair, like my hairline, my psoriasis is pretty much like not there. So I'm gonna show you. My hair's pretty much detangled, but this unbrushed, like, look at this, you guys. It's like so freaking soft. Like, you cannot tell me. I used this also at my friend Sharita's house, and I was like, oh, let me add this to the Amazon cart, okay? Because I swear I be adding stuff to my Amazon cart almost every single day. Like right now I have like $200 worth of stuff on there. So yeah, and I will link all this stuff from Amazon down below in my Amazon storefront. But yeah, you guys, I just been working and living life, traveling, seeing my friends and stuff like that. But anyway, on another rant, y'all, tell me why my Facebook got deleted. Like, over 20 years of memories gone. Like, my account suspended. I cannot get access to my damn Facebook account. I have no clue what the heck is going on with my Facebook account. So if you have any tips or know anybody that could help me get my Facebook account back, that'd be great. Like, I don't even care about my followers or, the people I follow. I just want my pictures. Like, I have memories there from my military days, all my travels. Like, I have a lot of memories on there from high school. I think I had this Facebook page since I was like 15 or 16, and I'm 35. So there's a lot of memories on there. Yesterday I was very sad about it. Today I'm kind of more annoyed that Facebook could just like deactivate your account with any type of warning or anything. To be honest, I think my stuff got hacked. But anyway, enough of my rambling. But yeah, that was my little Amazon haul. Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah, all right. Check. I had to hit hit that slide out so these niggas know me. And I been in my hideout, had to pump that, get that thump back. Hit low 1-2 step, I run that, get that boom bap dumping. Make your mind step to the side and make your soul want to sing like ooh ooh make your soul want to sing ooh ooh I've been rolling, ain't no holding back. I owe me for them years of pushing music over dollar. Now my present make them holler, so it's time for that cha-ching. And I've been moving, baby, on the move. And I've been grooving lately, off of you. On me, I'm floating on the beat. OG, I'm moving with the speed. I had to hit that step and groove, and now they grooving just for me. I had to hit that slide out so these niggas know me. And I've been in my hideout, had to pump that, get that thump back.
So I did my first impression right here. I don't think I did it right, but they said they'll send another one if I didn't do it right. You have to do it 4 times and hold them in your mouth for 2.5 minutes. So you're going to take the light putty and the dark putty, and you're going to mix it together for 30 seconds. You can open it. So I'm going to take the light putty, the dark putty, hit 30 seconds. I'm going to start mixing it. It has to be mixed 30 seconds, because it starts setting really, really fast. It has to create one ball, one color. Okay, once you do that, you get a little ball like this, put it in the mold, and put it in the mold like this, and let's put it in the mouth. Hopefully I did that right, but they got my bottom impressions. I have very groovy teeth, you see? I'm always getting stuff stuck in them because I have so many ridges. All right, let's do another one. Let's do the third one. So dark and light, dark and light. These things are so hard to open. I got 30 seconds to mix the thing, so I'm gonna try to mix it real fast. Mix. 30 seconds. Because it starts setting it sets really, really fast, like. So mix. It has to be one solid color. So you got 30 seconds. Okay, starting to set. Okay, my timer went off. Now let me put it in the thing. Okay, this one's gonna be my top teeth. Back. You're gonna do 3 minutes.